Hello everyone, this question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of fractions. This is 9th question of its exercise 7.3. So the question says that match the equivalent fractions and write two more for each. First, 250 upon 400. So firstly हम इसे simplify कर लेंगे, 0 से 0 cancel out, then 5 से 5 time and 48 time. So जगह हमारा 5 by 8. So 250 upon 400 is equivalent to 5 by 8. So 1 and D are equivalent. And write two more each equivalent fraction and write two more for each. So हमें दो और equivalent fraction लिखना है. So 5 by 8 को हम 2 से multiply कर देंगे तो हो जाएगा हमारे पास 10 by 16 and next हो जाएगा and 3 से multiply कर देंगे in both numerator and denominator. So 15 upon 24. So these are two equivalent fractions of 5 by 8. Second, 180 upon 200. 0 से 0 cancel out. Then 2 से cancel out हो जाएगा 9 time and 20 cancel out हो जाएगा 10 time. So 9 by 10. So 180 upon 200 is equivalent to E. 9 by 10. Second and E. So two equivalent fraction of 9 by 10 is 2 से multiply कर देंगे तो हो जाएगा 18 by 20 and 3 से multiply कर देंगे तो हो जाएगा 27 by 30. So these are two equivalent fraction of 9 by 10. Third, 660 upon 990. 0 से 0 cancel out हो जाएगा, then 11 से cancel out हो जाएगा 6 time, then 9 time, then 3 से 2 time and 3 time. So ये हो जाएगा हमारा 2 by 3. So third, 660 upon 990 is equivalent to 2 by 3 means option A. So इसके equivalent two fractions हो जाएंगे मेरे, two equivalent fractions हो जाएंगे. 2 से multiply कर देंगे 4 by 6 and 3 से multiply कर देंगे numerator and denominator में 6 by 9. Fourth, 180 upon 360. 0 से 0 cancel out हो जाएगा, then 18 से 1 time, 18 से 36 2 time, so हो जाएगा 1 by 2. So for fourth, 180 upon 360 is equivalent to 1 by 2 और 1 by 2 हमारी वैल्यू C में है, ऑप्शन C में. So C are equivalent and two equivalent fraction of 1 by 2 is 2 से multiply कर देंगे तो 2 by 4 and 3 से multiply करेंगे तो 3 by 6. Question number 5, 220 upon 550. 0 से 0 cancel out हो जाएगा, 11 से cancel out हो जाएगा 2 time and 55 5 time. So ये हो जाएगा 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 is in option B. So 220 upon 550 is equivalent to 2 by 5 in option B. And option B. And two equivalent fractions of 2 by 5 is equal to 2 से multiply करेंगे तो हो जाएगा 4 by 10 and 3 से multiply करेंगे तो हो जाएगा 6 by 50. That's our final answer. Thank you.